Outline your whodunit mystery novel, a comprehensive but fun chapter-by-chapter walkthrough. Okay, let's start with some basics. First, don't rush through this course. Take your time and pace yourself. It's in-depth and requires lots of creativity and thinking. It might take you a few weeks or a couple of months to finish this course, but trust me when I say if you put in the effort, you're going to come away with a unique and detailed plot outline that is ready for your first draft. My last thought on this is this. Although you shouldn't rush through this course, don't think you're going to make every scene perfect. This is not the time to do that at all. Get the scenes down and move on. The ultimate goal here is to get a solid outline and complete the rough draft. That's the goal. It's not to get the outline perfect. Leave the changes for the revisions after you complete your first draft. So, what is a whodunit mystery? A whodunit mystery is a variety of detective fiction. It's a plot-driven story where the reader gets the opportunity to engage in the same process of deductive reasoning as the protagonist. Clues are sporadically sprinkled through the book that may or may not lead to the identity of the antagonist. It's really up to the author, where they want to lead the reader. Through the process of the investigation, the perpetrator's identity is kept secret until the climax of the novel. Neither the reader nor the protagonist knows who it is until the climax. Now that we have a high-level overview of a whodunit, let's move on and examine the novel outline.